Sequence selection and iteration are called constructs. They're how the program is constructed. Sequence, we've said, is where the code executes in order, one instruction after another. Selection simply means if something is true, do it. If it isn't true, don't. Now, let's look at this program here. It's a lottery program age check program. So here I've got a variable. Don't worry about variables, we'll talk about them in a minute. Age equals 14. If age is less than 16, do this. Remember we said if something is true, do it. The bit that will be done is the bit that is indented here underneath these colon. So this is the line that's going to be executed if this is true. So age equals 14. If age is less than 16, do this. Well, age is less than 16 because it's 14. If age was 18, if age is less than 16, do this. Well, that is not true because age is over 16. So therefore, it's going to do this bit of code. Instead of saying something, we could be a bit more technical and call this a condition. So if a condition is true, do it. If it isn't, don't. Let me run this program. I'm just going to have to put 2 hashtags up here to get my program to run. I'm going to go run module. I expect it to say good luck. There you go, because age is 18, so therefore this is not true, so it did this piece of code instead. Selection.